Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haqoe, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class of class 7. Our today's topic is exercise 1.2, question 17 and 18. These two questions we will solve today in this lecture, and I have given a question for your homework, that is question 20. Okay, dear students, let us start our class. Here question 17, this is our first question today. Each member of a cooperative society subscribes 20 times the number of members in Taka. The total amount raised being Taka 20,480. Find the number of members of the society. It means that, the students, the question means that the members of a cooperative society pay or subscribe the amount 20 times of the numbers of members. Suppose there are 5 members and each member subscribe 20 times of 5. It means 5 20s are 100. If the number of member is 5 here, each member subscribes 20 times of 5 means 100 Taka. It means that subscription of each member will be 20 times of the number of members. If I take the number of member is X, so subscription of each member will be 20 times of X, 20 times of X, and total subscription will be, then we have to multiply the subscription of each member by the number of members, In this way, I will solve this problem here. You can solve in another method also, but I will show this method now. The students, let the number of members of the society, let the number of members of the society is X. So, subscription of each member will be 20 times of the number of members, 20 times of the number of members. So, we have to multiply X by 20. This will be in Taka, so we can write here Taka. It means that 20x Taka. Now, total subscription will be, therefore, total subscription is, we have to multiply the subscription of each member by the number of member. It means that we have to multiply 20x by x. It will be 20x square. The students, observe here in the STEAM, what is given here? Our given information is total amount raised being Taka 20,480. It means this will be equal to 20x square. So, we can write as per question, $20x square equal to 20,480 Taka. Now, we can solve this. This is an equation. We can solve this now. So, at first we have to remove 20, so we have to divide both sides by 20, 20x square by 20. It means that 20,480 divided by 20. If you divide, you will get only x square in left side, and in right side you will get 1024. 1024. Now we have to find the value of x, as x is the number of members in society. To find the value of x, in the left side there is given x square. So we have to do the square root on both sides. We have to do the square root on both sides. If we do the square root on both sides, in the left side we will get x, in the right side we will get square root of 1024. 1024. Dear students, you know how to do a square root. Now I am showing this here. 1024. At first we have to take pair of digits from left to right. Here first pair is 10, then this will be 3 times 3 3s are 9. 9 is the perfect square of 3, square number of 3. So if we subtract, we will get 1. Then right here 2 times of 3, double of 3, that is 6. Now write the next pair here. Now take 2 times. 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12. So 0 here, if we subtract, we will get. Therefore x equal to 32. The square root of 1024 is 32. So we can say x is the number of members in the society. So we can say the number of members of the society is 32. Therefore the number of members of the society is 32. So our required answer is 32. So our required answer is 32. Dear students, I hope you have understood this question. Now go to the next question. What is our next question? Next question is question 18. This question is, in a garden 36 trees were left access while planting 1800 trees in a square. Find the number of trees in each row. It means, suppose this is a garden. We want to plant 1800 trees here. If we plant the trees in square, it means that the number of trees along the length and along the width will be same. If we plant the trees in this way, then we need how many trees? Here 6 trees left. See, 36 trees axis. It means that if we subtract 36 from 1800, then we'll get 1764. This number of trees we can plant in square in the garden. Okay, now let us see how can we solve the question. As 36 trees were left axis. While planting 1800 trees in square. So the planted trees, the number of planted trees equal to 1800 minus 36 means 1764. If we subtract, we will get this number. Now, the trees in each row, the number of trees in each row will be the square root of planted trees. The square root of planted trees. So, you can write as the trees are planted in square. So, the number of trees in each row is the square root of 1764. That is square root of, that is number of trees, that is the number of trees in each row equal to square root of 1764. Now do the square root here. Here 1764. Using the same technique, dear students, you know how to do the square root. Now take 4 times. 4 4s are 16. 1 left. Now 4 2s are 8. And take 2 times. 42 here. 2 2s are 4. 8 2s are 16. So you can say the square root of 1764 is 42. 42. Therefore, 42 trees were planted in each row. What we have to find out? Find the number of trees in each row. Therefore, the number of trees, in each row is 42. This is our required answer for question 18. So our required answer is 42 trees. Dear students, I think you have understood this question also, and I have given you a question for homework, that is question 20 from page 19 of exercise 1.2. This question is similar to question 17. Dear students, do this homework in your assigned homework copy. Submit your homework next Sunday from 2 a.m. to 4 p.m. on the school library, and collect your previous HW from the school library. Dear students, homework is very, very important for you, as your CT marks, diary marks and SBA marks will be given based on the performance of your homework. So submit your homework properly. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.